Yahoo! Prof here, and I promised you guys a follow-up video to the recent Galarian Sirfetch'd V box. This looks like another Galarian Sirfetch'd V box because it is. That is indeed another one, except you flip her over. Amazon warehouse. And then the one thing I noticed, and I didn't open this up yet, that right there, to me, get this in focus here, that was like glue. And this side is peeled up a bit. Right there, if you guys can see that. So, everything looks intact from the outside. I don't hear like tons of cards clunked around. That's kind of normal box sounds. So we're gonna cut it open along this side. Maybe got like a little water damage or something at some point, or something got spilt on it. Like I think my Meowth boxes got soap. And we shall see if what's in here is actually in here. If not, go straight back to Amazon. Alright, we have our code, as well as our playable card. We have our big Galarian Sirfetch'd V. We have one Darkness Ablaze. Doesn't seem to be opened. Second Darkness Ablaze. That's kind of sketchy. That's opened right there. I don't know if the pack's open, but there's a little. See? Maybe around the focus. Yeah, see right here? There's that. So that's Darkness Blaze. Then we have Sword and Shield. A little damage on the bottom here. Creasy a little bit. And then the whole reason why I bought this pack, X and Y Evolutions. Because one of these is about 20 bucks from Hobby Shop and places that you know it'll be legit. Maybe a little bit less, depending. Then you added shipping and stuff. And this pack was only just over 20 bucks on Amazon warehouse. So, you know, a couple more definitely makes up these additional boosters. If this ends up being legit, the big old Galarian Sirfetch'd and the little guy that's in here will be up for grabs. Like, just straight up. Pay shipping, it's yours. I got no need for multiples of the same card. So let's get down to the desk and we'll start pulling some packs, and we're gonna check this one that seems a little bit sketchy. A little bit sketchy. Hopefully it isn't. Alright, so as I showed before, only one of these packs looks kind of sketch. And there's this first Darkness Blaze, so we're going to hit that one up first. The rest, I mean, they seem a little like wavy on the bottom and stuff, but especially that Sword and Shield, they seem fine. This one seems like it was picked at a little bit or something. See what I mean? Like with how I open them, it's like this, and then I go like a so. And pull. That was about average, I would say. Online card, we'll keep that off to the side a little bit, not in the pile, the generic pile for now. 1, 2, 3, just in case this has to go back. We have the battery dying. I officially need to pick up some more batteries. So here we have an Suring. Heat for energy. Semi-Seer. Plenty of those. Sinistee. Feebas. We just got a reverse hollow on those last pack. Passimian. Fletchling. Wimpod. Reverse hollow. Suicune? I might be wrong there. I think that's a legendary though. I'll sleeve her up. We have a Muck and a Psychic Energy. Okay, we got away from the grass energies. But if you notice, the hollow is another water energy Pokemon. Or water type Pokemon. That seems legit enough to me. I'd see super commons in there. Or something like that, like the most common cards possible. Here's Darkness Blaze number dose. Oh, that's not been opened before. Let's give that thing a pull here. Yep. Oh, see, we went a bit far there. You guys are just all vomiting. I apologize for the quick motion there. Whew. Good one though. Online card. 1, 2. These feel a bit bent. In the hand, they're not. See it? They're not exactly straight. Just a little bit curvy. Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. I do not remember this one. Fletchinder. Hiding Energy. Interesting. Passimian. Fletchling. Wimpod. Grimer. You go grime you. Clink. Another Feebas. Yeah, if you guys Feebas, man. If you need a Feebas, reverse hollow, hit me the frick up. Mimikyu. That's a good pull there, even though it's not hollow. That'd be way hotter hollow. And a Electric Energy. Yeah, and see this curve? You can see it even more from here. That you sometimes have to deal with these Amazon warehouse deals. Because sometimes, especially if they're water damaged, not that the water gets in the pack, right? But it like the heating, like the moisture, the humidity caused by that can cause. I mean, there's just cardboard, paper, you know, can cause issues. Next up, we got ourselves a Sword and Shield with the bottom that took a bit of a hit. I don't know if it was dropped or something there. And we tore her right in half. Online card. One, two, three. Air balloon, definitely got plenty of those. Pal Pad, I don't remember having one of those. Oh, Kingler. That reminds me of the OG one, that pose there. Except it's like super hand-drawn. You know, like not like realistic aesthetic, because that's like old, like we want to say like, I don't know, but I like that one. Nickit, Chinchou, Diglett Dig, just looking up towards the sky. Pharaoh Seed, the realistic looking Goldeen. Reverse Hollow Cramorant, 90% sure I have one of those already. And a Boltund Hollow, which I believe I also have. I'm gonna start pulling the ones that I have dupes of, putting them someplace to do something. By the way, are you noticing though? Another hollow, water. Or another reverse hollow is water. And water energy. So far, Seems normal. Down to the last pack. If running, this was the previous Galarian Sirfetch'd pull. X and Y evolutions. My go-to. When possible. Ooh, that was a solid pull. Online card. 1, 2, 3. These feel a little bit bent too. That way. See them? Womp womp. Poliwhirl. Maintenance. Haunter. Fairy Energy. Voltorb. Tangela. Poliwag. Seal. Reverse Hollow Drowsy, which I already have. And Electrode. So yeah, I've been using a Reverse Hollow Drowsy. You know where I'm at. At the Prophecist on the Twatters. And that seemed like a fully normal pull to me. So there's also a Galarian Sirfetch'd V. Big card. And you guys are dead. You just died. Oh gosh. I do apologize. Yep. A little cockeyed now too. Gosh darn it. I think that's more correct. Alright. Yeah, this guy. Oh, now it went back to being all... Looks fine. This Galarian Sirfetch'd is up for grabs as well as the big guy. I have no need for dupes. When it comes to the promo cards. I'll even sleeve them for you guys. Just gonna get black though. So there you go. About as mint condition as you get. Big guy and little guy will go together. So let's go over what the pulls we had. Nothing too hot. I think on the actual brand new one we did a bit better, but of course you have the Galarian Sirfetch'd V here. Followed by the Suicune, I think it is. Reverse Hollow. That's like pretty nice. Feebas, Reverse Hollow. 3 or 4 of those now. Same thing with Cramorant. Bolton, I know this is number 2, Hollow. And we have Reverse Hollow Drowsy. This is also number 2 for me. So basically lots of dupes, except for the Suicune. Yeah. Well, we lucked out. At least it was legitimate, and for the money, was alright. We still kept up on the water hollow cards though. Holy jeez. I just get all water hollow cards. Woo woo. Comment down below if you enjoyed it. Let me know how you think this went. Should I keep doing it this way where we show the original and then Amazon warehouse stuff? What else do you want to see? Let me know. subscribe, like, comment, hit the little ring and dingle bell, and hopefully we'll see you next time, or I'll see you over on some of the social media. You have a good one.